Hello. Some weird things happening to my recording. I just checked to see how long I was doing it for, and it said 2 minutes. And then I went to check, and there were a bunch of really short videos that were like 17 seconds, 11 seconds. Something was going on. I trashed them because I figured they'd be taking up space. Opening up the trash right now to demonstrate that. But I do have. I worked on creating this milestone thing. It's very similar to the other one. I made sure it was exactly 45 hours, 15 a week. Um, it's just sort of a bunch of documentation I've been working on. I have my idea. I made sure it worked. I have just a little bit of practicing right here. I wanted to make sure these didn't trigger any sounds. Should be working. Obviously, this is just a test, but that's pretty much what I've been working on. Currently, I'm about to create the level design document. I just finished a lot of the documentation needed. I'll quickly show you. I'm sure you saw me create a lot of it, but I have the working level design document right here. Asset list and feature list. I didn't add much there. I didn't really need much outside of everything. But that's everything I've got there. Total of 1,900 words. My milestone seems to have disappeared. Just quickly do a bunch of that. There it was. Right here. I spent a significant amount of time on it. Oh, this is from. Oh, this is previous. I have to open up the second one. But I did spend a significant amount of time on all of this. I mentioned previously that it keeps starting and ending. I have a few videos here, even though I only pressed play once, which is unfortunate, but I've been working for quite a long time. Currently, I'm trying to find out a palette to use on some of the blocks. This is what I have so far. A bunch of blues and blacks to sort of fit along with this guy over here. But I'm sure there's more I can do that I sort of want to find out. See if there's possible gradients I can do. I'm sure I can use stripped birch here. That kind of works. Just stuff like that. But I'll be doing that for a little while. Hello, I'm about to work on the paper map. I think is what I need now. Hello, I've returned. So, setting up the... Here, I'll open up the milestone. Just to prove I've done everything. The narrative, I was thinking of while creating the level design document and some time beforehand. I don't really have video evidence of that since it was all brainstorming. Documentation, you saw me doing a lot of this and this. At least I hope so. Hopefully that wasn't some of the stuff that got cut out. And then map. You did see me create the map itself, right here, sort of playing where everything is, where all the objects are, everything like that, pathways, where items are, just a bunch of stuff like that. Testing, you may have seen me at the very beginning test, and quickly do that again. I was just proving my concept, and I was seeing what type of stuff would trigger. Quickly grab a warden egg real quick. I think it despawned. So we'll do that. Oh, sorry! Game mode. Survival. So here, as you can see, opening this. It's having me make noise, but it's not exactly causing me to be attacked. So I can sneak around like this without getting attacked. You can see me through the walls, but if I get too close, obviously, I will get attacked. Does he see me? See, I just sneak around like this. If I make too much noise, though... Ooh! He's about to attack me. Attack. Oh. There we go. So I was just sort of testing to see if it would work. I've got some more testing to do, obviously. Not this week. That's in the practicing area and the bug fixing. But yeah. Oh, I also planned materials right here. I was looking for a bunch of materials that could fit and resemble this guy. I think I actually did show you this, but this is sort of every block I think I can use. I'll just have to figure out how to do it in combination with some normal looking blocks to make it seem like otherworldly, like my level design document says. But that is everything that I have. Thank you.